Multiply 6 and 1/3 times 5 and 1/3. When multiplying two mixed numbers together, the first thing I want to do is turn them both into improper fractions. How do I do that for this one? Well, multiply the 6 out in front to the denominator of 3. So 6 times 3 is 18. Take that 18 and add it to the numerator. 18 plus 1 becomes 19. And so keep your denominator of 3, and this guy just ends up being 19 over 3. Now I'm going to do the same thing with 5 and 1/3. So multiply the 5 that lives out in front to the denominator of 3. 5 times 3 is 15, and 15 plus that numerator of 1 becomes 16. So 16 over the old denominator of 3. Now, when multiplying fractions, you multiply straight across the numerator and straight across the denominator. I have no idea what 19 times 16 is, so I'm going to go off to the side and try to figure that out. So 19 times 16 the old-fashioned way. 6 times 9 is 54, so write out your 4. Carry over the 5. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11, so drop down the 11. Let's get rid of that 5. Since we're moving over to the 1 here, I need to include a 0, the tens place, you know that rule. Now we multiply 1 times 9, get 9. 1 times 1, get 1. Let's add these guys together. 4 plus 0 is 4. 1 plus 9 is 0. Carry the 1. I mean, it's 10. 0. Carry the 1. You know what I mean. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So we end up with 304. So this becomes 304, and 3 times 3 is 9. Now, how do I turn this ugly improper fraction into a mixed number? Find out how many times 9 goes into 304. So let's do that over here. 9 doesn't go into 3, but 9 goes into 30 3 times. 3 times 9 is 27, so write out your 27. Subtract. 30 minus 27 is 3. Drop down your 4. 9 goes into 34 3 times. 3 times 9 is 27. 34 minus 27 is 7. With no more numbers to drop down, that means my remainder is going to be 7. So, how do I turn that into a mixed number? Well, the 33 that I got is the number that lives out in front. 33. The remainder of 7 is your numerator, and the denominator of 9 is your old denominator. That doesn't change. So at the end of the day, I get 33 and 7/9. And that's my answer.